You know the feeling. The paycheck hits the account, you breathe a sigh of relief, and then by the final 10 days of the month, the money is gone. You're left staring at an empty balance, wondering where it went. This cycle traps millions. You earn, then you spend, pay your EMIs, and then you have to earn again just to survive. It's a closed loop without any forward momentum. The rat race operates as a rigid mechanical system built on 5 invisible traps. Escaping it requires treating your personal finances like an engineering problem and pulling 5 specific levers to dismantle that machine. Pay close attention to the 4th lever. It harnesses time itself, and without it, the rest of the system collapses. By understanding how these parts connect, you can step off the financial treadmill and begin dismantling the machine from the inside out. The first major trap is the cash flow leak. Money vanishes simply because its exit is completely untracked. To fix this, we apply an unyielding triage system, the 50-30-20 rule. This mechanically forces discipline on your cash flow by dividing every paycheck into 3 distinct categories. 50% is locked in for survival needs: rent, groceries, utilities, and basic transport. If these base expenses require more than half your income, your current lifestyle is mathematically unsustainable and requires a downgrade. The next 30% provides psychological relief. These are your wants: dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. This allocation prevents the burnout that often leads to total financial collapse. The final 20% is the pay yourself first allocation. The moment your salary arrives, this money must be physically transferred to an investment account. It cannot remain in your checking account. But cash flow discipline alone is fragile, because trap number 2 is the unpredictability of life. A medical emergency or a sudden job loss can instantly reset years of careful budgeting. That requires lever number 2, a 6-month liquid emergency fund. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, you need $18,000 sitting in a highly accessible account. This money serves as a mandatory shock absorber, providing mental peace rather than high returns. Pulling these first 2 levers creates a defensive shield. What would normally be a life-ruining financial disaster is downgraded to a mere inconvenience. Once stabilized, you face trap number 3, the illusion of credit and the high-interest debt sinkhole. Borrowing only works when it is used to buy cash-flowing or appreciating assets, like an education that boosts your salary or capital to scale a business. Financing a depreciating consumer luxury on a high-interest credit card is a direct attack on your net worth. Swiping for a device that drops in value while paying 30 or 40% annual interest creates a mathematical hole that is nearly impossible to climb out of. If you carry this kind of debt, neutralizing it is your absolute first priority. You cannot build a solid financial foundation while standing inside a sinkhole. With the debt cleared, we confront trap number 4, the silent wealth killer: inflation. Money sitting static in a standard bank account loses purchasing power every single day. To outpace this decay, we pull lever 4. You have to deploy your capital into vehicles like index funds or mutual funds, which capture market growth and historical appreciation. This is where we apply the mathematical superpower of time. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, noting that those who understand it earn it, while those who don't pay it. This chart shows the immense cost of delay. Starting at age 20 allows a small, consistent investment to grow into a massive exponential curve. Starting just 10 years later at age 30 requires a significantly heavier capital burden just to reach the same result. Escaping the middle class requires shifting your wealth out of static accounts and into vehicles that multiply autonomously. But defense has its limits. The final trap is the ceiling of frugality. You can only cut expenses so far before you hit a wall. This brings us to lever 5, the shift to offense. You must aggressively upgrade your high-income skills, like advanced coding, specialized digital freelancing, or content creation, to increase the baseline value of your time. True wealth acceleration happens when you radically raise your income ceiling while keeping those defensive expenses strictly locked in place. Financial freedom is the result of strict mathematical discipline, pulling these 5 levers consistently over several years. Committing to this system starts the slow shift of momentum. Eventually, the compounding process reaches a threshold where your money begins working harder than you do. The shift from passive observer to active builder starts right now. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly which one of these 5 rules you are implementing today.